Hi, have you ever wanted a heavy-duty gardening tote? Have you ever fantasized about something that won't tear and it's huge and gorgeous? Well, I just got it today. I am so excited. And guess who made it? The queen herself. I happened to get on this QVC video and I was just watching it late at night and I was just enthralled by these bags. I think it is my new favorite thing of the year. Here is the bag. I'm pretty sure on the video she said it was bulletproof. It's that thick. Look at this thing. I just got them in the mail like 5 minutes ago. And only took 2 days to get them. I was so excited. This thing is huge. Look at my hand. I could put both my dogs in there. 48 gallons, if you can imagine that. Here, there's a little dachshund so you can see how big it is. And 3 of them came in the box. There's the other 2 I haven't even opened them yet. They all come nice in this little skinny box here. But right now is stick pickup time in my garden. My trees, all my new fruit trees out in California are having all kinds of limbs and fruit and everything falling, leaves and branches. So that was what she uses them for, but it could be used for anything. Could be camping, dog stuff, going to the beach. I'm going to use one I have all these different purposes now that I have all these trees, fruit trees. One's going to be all sticks for my hugelkultur beds. And I haven't really taught much about that yet because I haven't done it yet, but it's a bed, instead of filling your beds with all potting mix, you can fill them with sticks. So I have easily this many sticks a week. So I'm going to have one that's all sticks for the beds to go in because I just got all my soil today to fill my raised beds. Then I'm going to have another one just for leaves and branch, just cutting the leaves off. And I don't shred them because I don't have a shredder, but I cut them in little bits and I put them in the compost. And I've got 3, 4 growing areas in my yard. So what was the other one I was going to do? I don't think I'm going to put fruit in there. They're just too pretty to put bacteria-filled moldy fruit in. But I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have 1 in my upper yard, 2 in my upper yard, sticks for 1. I know what the other one was. I knew it. It's mulch. I already have a mountain of mulch of wood chips that I got from Chip Drop. So when I'm up there, I have to use the wheelbarrow, and it takes so long. I have to open the gate and drag all the wheelbarrow over, and it's quite heavy. But what I'm going to do this time is just use a pitchfork, fill this with mulch, because I have a whole bunch of weeds, and I'm covering them with 4 inches of mulch, and that kills the weeds. After I pull them, it'll kill the roots and everything. So that's what I'm going to use with 2 of them in one yard, 2 of them in the other yard, 1 for mulch, and I think I'm going to save 1 or 2 of them for special occasions like trips to the beach and that kind of thing. So anyway, heavy-duty totes. I've never in my life seen anything this heavy-duty. And what's cool is this handle goes all the way down. And if you're tipping over, you filled it with all your leaves, you've raked all your leaves or grass clippings or something, there's actually a handle on the bottom. So you can just grab the handle and tip it over and then just throw it on your shoulder. And it's so light. No more heavy wheelbarrow. I mean, I'll still use my wheelbarrow, but I don't think I've been as excited about a gardening tool since my little mini greenhouses, that little $40 greenhouse I got 5 years ago. This thing is just I'm so excited. So anyway, and she said on the video, they had 3 women sitting on a scale and said that it held 900 pounds. They had 600 pounds of rocks in it and 3 women. So it holds 900 pounds and it will not tear. And I'm pretty sure she said bulletproof and definitely tear-proof. And she said you could load this up with rocks and hook it up to the back of your car and drive it down the road and it wouldn't tear. I mean, even if I wasn't a gardener, I'd have this. They come in mint and black. So I got 6 mint ones and then I could always know, there's my Martha bags. Anyway, I just had to tell somebody, so I had to do a video on it. I'll have a link down below so you can pick some up if you want them and a place where you can see the video about them. It's just a little 3-minute video she did about her bags. So anyway, hope you enjoy. Take care. Bye.